Hi everyone, and welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Penny, and this is Penny's Coding Bits. In this video, I'm going to show you this hub for AI tools for educators. And you can see that there are tools for creating presentations, quizzes, and even feedbacks for students, so that you can use them to generate the contents that you're looking for, add on your tweaks, and you should be good to go. This way, you can save a lot of time in your everyday life as an educator. And as you scroll down, you can see that there are many more tools designed for different needs for educators, and all of these tools work closely with the Google Cloud services, including Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms, so that you can easily share your generated contents with other collaborators and students. So to start, you can simply go to briskteaching.com and add the tool to your Chrome browser as an extension. And once you have done that, it will show up in your extensions list here as Brisk Teaching, so that when you go and try out a tool, the Brisk Teaching icon will show up in the right-hand corner at the bottom, like this. So when I go and create a presentation, I can simply type in the type of presentation that I'm looking for. So here I'm going to simply say teach English vocabulary and hit brisket, and you can just watch the slides being created before your eyes. And some of these slides are quite detailed, and the design of the slides are quite creative as well, so that when you are giving a speech in front of an audience, the style of the presentation would be well received by your audiences. So this is a standard summary type presentation, but if you want more slides, you can tweak the options before you start generating presentations. And of course, creating contents with AI on this hub is not limited to creating presentations. So let's have a look at how to create quizzes. So how this function works is that it takes a web page and it creates a quiz based on the contents on this page. So I'm simply going to hit next and select new form so that it creates the quiz in Google Forms instead of Google Docs. So let's just say brisket. And there is my new quiz based on volcanoes, based on the National Geographic website. So that is how the quiz is being generated. So let's just have another look at how feedbacks are being generated with the AI tool on this hub. So here I have an essay based on the Great Gatsby. So I am going to use Brisk to generate feedback on this essay. So I am going to say get feedback and say glow and grow. And I am going to say please focus on the writing style in the feedback. So I'm going to hit brisket, and it's going to show the feedback in 3 sections, including glow, how the writer is being successful in this essay, and grow, the rooms to improve, and wondering, the questions the evaluator is having based on this work. So that is high level how this hub works. I hope Many of you will try this out because this will save you a lot of time, and you can try this for free now because I got in for free. So please give it a try and let me know how this works for you.